Back. Today's going to be, I don't know, what am I going to do today? Player targeting? Perhaps. Yeah, I'll probably just do targeting. I saw the video you sent me on Instagram. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I saw that and I was like, oh, that would be kind of an interesting idea. I don't know if I would want like that exact thing for.
I liked how weighty like the character felt. Like a lot of games don't have momentum. So your character moves at the same speed whether they're wearing heavy or light, or there's no like oomph to their walk. Like Monster Hunter has weight in interactions.
The best implementation of weight that I've seen, which was also the worst done, Apex Legends. Yeah, Apex
I've not played Apex, so I can't weigh in on that.
So there's a character named Gibraltar, and because I played Apex like shortly after it launched. But there's a character called Gibraltar. He's this big hulking dude with a shield, right? And there was like a big controversy about him moving slower than every other character. Yeah. But no, the company had to put out a statement that no, every single character runs at the exact same speed.
Is it because he was bigger, that he felt slower?
Because he's bigger and like his animations felt like weightier and stuff like that, but the actual movement speed, like if you were to race everyone,
would be the
exact
same
speed.
That's interesting.
I thought that was kind of weird, but it's like you guys did a good job. You did too good of a job.
I see you're having a hard time. Why don't you bake that onto a texture? Like, I didn't think you were actually gonna rig a bra or something.
Oh yeah. I wanted it because it looked better.
Looked better?
Yeah, so I don't know if you've seen the
Takes forever to open, I swear.
Wait, well, it's still getting down. Blender. Open. File. Open. Screen and okay, I'm sharing this in Discord.
Okay. Go.
But yeah. So because of the way her shirt is, right now I'm debating on pulling the shirt together a little bit more, like it is on the old version. But like when she turns to the side or something, you can get a glimpse of the bra.
You can still add depth to that with like a retapo.
It just doesn't look as good.
Oh
my gosh.
You're going to go insane adding that extra layer of geo to rig.
No, it works pretty well already.
I see a lot of clipping there.
Well, yeah, right now I just redid the body. But yeah, it works pretty well. And if I do decide to like change the shirt up, whatever, I'll probably change up her outfit every now and then. She always has a bra.
Yeah, so you should have made it part of the model. But I digress. It's not my model.
It just doesn't look that great. Like making it part of the model.
I'm gonna show you some
And
I
then
got the perfect model for that.
Having to like flow the geometry, like even if I were to like extrude just the bra area, having to like flow that geometry properly.
I
like,
got you. I'm gonna show you like a top tier. This is from back in when I was like new to Blender. Like this is, I have to go to the old folders, to the ancient archives. I don't know where I keep them. I think it's D drive. To be sorted. Users. Nikki. Oh, I know where it is actually. Once I.
How do you data transfers vertex data, right?
I believe so. Oh, for the weights and stuff, or I'm actually not sure. Then in that case,
I think it's vertex data.
I wish you well.
And then I need the vertex group. We're going by glimpse vertex.
Me old Blender stuff. Blender stuff.
Dinga dinga danga.
Oh, here it is. Ugh. There'll be like a time where I go back and remodel everything in this folder.
Will you though?
Probably not. Sort by type. Sitting on that thumbnails. Be nice.
File save as, let's do W4 and
here we go. Found it. I just close it? No. I think this is the model. This topology is weird though, but it works for its purpose. Do you see it? Well, I'll send it to you.
I don't know. I always forget how to use these things. All right, let's see. Let's see your top tier.
Yeah, Nikki, we're waiting.
Okay. I'll say it looks pretty good.
It looks kind of weird, but at the same time, yeah, like interesting. Like the edge loops I chose is interesting, but the model itself is amazing.
If maybe if she had smaller boobs, I would. I might consider.
This doesn't have the textures.
Because there's a little part where like, oh mine, the bra isn't on the skin is floating a bit.
Yeah, there's that.
That's a nice little detail.
It is a detail, definitely.
Nikki, look outside of the house.
It's a very nice cottage you got there.
Thank you.
Now, can you be a supporter and get on the stream so it looks like
I apologize. See, just like you guys forgot me, I forgot your damn stream.
You ain't supporting neither of us? I mean, how many people I got in my stream? I'm over here with.
I got like 2 people and a bot.
I got you both. Goodness, Lord, computer.
Oh, blueprint maps. Let's go.
I'm gonna look up a tutorial. I'm not gonna waste it. I ain't got time to experiment. Someone else figure it out. I do need to memorize this.
Okay. So this.
What is it called? That's not how you spell that. Data transfer. That's 40. That's what we're doing.
So first things first, you want to get all units in range. Make a collision sphere.
What did I miss? How did I miss that? What did you do? What?
Alright, we have a rain sphere. And when you overlap this, what is it? Event. Other actor cast to after your enemy. Add to an array. All this. Master right unit. Let's cast a master unit.
Oh yeah, I forgot they added a shortcut. Come here, and down to weight gain, transfer weights, and vertex grips.
What did I just do? Target off. Move to parent. Oh, you can actually move to the actual parent class. Look at you. Actually, these two have a target main. So target main.
Hungry. I'm gonna make me some dumplings.
Okay.
That sounds good.
Mm-hmm. I shall be RB.
I know, right? Let's go to Trader Joe's. The only one I know of is downtown where Phoebe is. I haven't been to. Like right there. Cross Street. Cross Street, Atlanta. I'll go for the cheese. They're like very light, but they still have enough cheese to taste good. Kind of like Kix. Actually, no one likes Kix. Kix is like the tease of cereals. Huh? Event tech. have to put add unique because it's adding over and over.
Actually, I think I may have ran into a problem. I don't actually know. Oh, actually, I think I do know.
Keep something printed for such a short time, like 0 seconds, right? Okay. And on component, and the overlap.
Oh my gosh, what, bro? Okay, we're ready.
Oh, object is going to be other actor. It doesn't remove. Oh, whoops, not removing. I gotta add if it's not self. Not equal to self. Does that work? Yep. Let's split this because I like to be neat a little bit.
No, you don't.
I know, a little bit. I said a little bit.
There are people like that.
Alright, so right now it's when we overlap our vision sphere, add it to a list of all targets, and when they get out of the sphere range, then they're not in a list of all targets. And now, on game start, I want to start timer. Set timer by event. Please don't open Visual Studio. I wonder if I can make any function that gets all targets. Let's make a function. Let's call it get distance to all targets. Okay, so the get distance all targets for each target in the array. Get distance. Get distance to all targets. What does that mean? That's not what I wanted, but interesting. Get distance to.
Like, I learned about auto-normalizing, like, not that long ago, but not the huge.
Is there really a downside to having it go above 1?
Yeah, so if you can have, without normalizing, you can have two bones with 100% what you call it, influence on itself. Like one vertex can have two bones that are 100%. I don't know if it is like a huge deal, but it can get annoying sometimes. You're wondering why something isn't deforming correctly?
I wonder, do game engines normally like autocorrect that? Or it stays with the extremes of two vertices?
I don't know. I just know that like they can't read more than 4 bones on a single vertice, I think it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I assume that even with like game engines, they I would assume even if they auto-correct it, you may get random results on how it corrects it.
Oh, because it's not consistent across the board. Yeah. Like how they triangulate their meshes.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, hi Jamie. I'm not going to call you Blaze because it's weird to me. Get world location. Currently, I'm busy attempting to make my top-down targeting system. Oh, I also have to check other things, which cares about the other platforms. You can just stop using these.
I don't know why you're using YouTube stuff.
I mean, Picardo's here too. YouTube is thrown in there for the extra.
Yeah, Picardo. I can see why you might want to use it. YouTube, I don't know. What did I just do? How did I just do this? I just did this so long. Why am I sure this so long? It's not how I should. This isn't how humans work. This isn't how. Okay.
All right, we're back. So currently, as it stands, I have it so that when they get close to me, they enter into a list of potential targets. Now I'm going to iterate through all the targets, get their locations and their distance to me, which should populate another array. Add that to a list. Oh yeah, get world location of me. I can just write self, right? No, I can't write self. All right, and we're gonna print the value for 0 seconds. X color is going to be orange. And nothing's happening because I didn't even plug it in. Sure. By a bite, you mean you're giving me one? Oh, half a one. Okay, I see how it is. Thank you. Oh, that's a crunch. Alright, so when we press play, why is it showing 3 times over? I mean, it works, but that's not what I wanted. Okay. I don't think it's good programming practice to keep track of everything that's around you. Actually, computers are strong. And now let's make it so that whoever's closest becomes my target. Promote to a local variable. I can. Let's rename this list of targets. No. Target distance list. Oh, it's season 3 of Konosuba? Ooh-wee.
Yeah.
That's gonna be fun. Wait, what?
I don't watch the show.
Have you watched
but
it?
I'm excited for y'all.
Oh, okay. But you're missing out there.
Maybe I do need to hop on that.
It's hilarious.
That's what I've heard. I've heard it's pretty funny.
Super hilarious.
I've seen a few clips of it. Maybe up my alley.
Kazuma. Oh no. Stop adding new values. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Once it adds a value to the array, it spams the array. Don't add unique. Does it add? Let's try the add button. Oh no, gonna crash my computer.
Oops. Oh, did that screw up?
Once you get the distance.
Yo, Kato.
I don't know how to do this. Okay, so once you get the distance of something, you add it to
Where? Blah blah blah.
blah blah blah.
Yeah, baby.
Blah 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 blah.
Eyes do not go blah blah blah.
I can't tell if it's adding a unique value.
Oh, that's why. Because I'm the genius.
It always gets so hot in here super quickly.
Mm-hmm. Watch this value. I mean, no debug data. It's how long is it to... Okay, print how long this is. How? Oh, yep, that doesn't work.
And the house is now complete. In all its cottage glory.
Did I add it, then clear it? Alright, let's do it this way. If your distance to me is less than distance Why is there two capsule components? Don't know. Oh well, cool.
I'm supposed to have front face deselected, right?
Deselected? Front face only?
Yeah.
Oh,
The
yeah.
front face fall off? Okay.
Not sure what the fall off is. Usually it's projected because I like to paint through. So yeah, you see where it says fall off shape? Right above front face fall off?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's if you want to paint through.
I just don't want to paint through. Select this. Bazinga. Okay.
Bazinga.
Bazinga. Oh, this is Inside Out. Oh man. Oh, my life is ruined. Terrible.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, my thingy, my thing I'm working on. It's Inside Out. Man. This is about to be a crazy kingdom. I was wondering why it was looking a little funny.
Okay, so apparently I have to make a new float and call that distance. No, let's call it target distance. Nope, I had it right, I think. Get world location, distance, the target main. Target main is
Wait. Why are you going to play in the water? Why would you do that?
Have a good time?
Hmm? What happened? What?
To have a good time? That's why she would go play in the water?
No, but it's pond water. It's gross.
ew. Actually, it could be fine. Don't mind
There's only a few
diseases.
leeches.
Only a few.
You're really having the time of her life.
Oh, it's valid. Here we go. If target is valid, if we have a target right now and it's valid, check it. If it's not valid, then to print our target.
So.
That is not.
Who need to apologize this? Who dum did that?
Oh.
People just need to learn how to follow.
All right.
Give up and become an adult.
The code works.
Oh, that's bad. Okay. All right.
Can I put a function in a function?
Junction, what's your function?
Yes, you can. We'll call this function set target HUD. Set target cursor. We're having so much fun when you're doing it and not looking at it. This channel will never succeed. I can make it fun.
What happened?
I said the channel will never succeed. Need you to accept an input. It's going to be a unit. I mean, it's going to be a master unit. I'm going to call this target. And the way it works, it's going to set get world location of your capsule component. I don't know why you have two still, but get world location. I'm gonna set the world location. Set world location of our target indicator. Is going to be this. Let's break that. Split structure. X, Y, and Z plus 100 should be fine, so right above the head. So when we have our target, no, we can't even see it. Wait, does it even work? Do I normally have it above my head? Yeah. Target mesh. Plus 100 to I do like plus 10. Oh no, I see it, but why is it moving? Circle. Oh, it's add world offset. Whoops. Set world location. That's going to be X, Y. I think 100 is 100 centimeters in Unreal units.
Please don't start a fire.
It only sets it once. So that's what happens.
No, Sim said it a lot of times. Most of the time.
You do.
Possibly stuck on it. So this would have to be an event tip kind of thing.
Oof.
Because we have no target. Does it not stay on their heads? Oh, there's no.
I made this place real cute.
Nope. I don't know why you're rotating, but oh, it's still attached to me technically. Don't copy the rotation. Okay. To explain how this works. I always feel like Unreal is lagging like crazy. Is there a way to show FPS? Gotta be a command. FPS? How to show FPS? UE4 show FPS. Small arrow button on the top left of the viewport. I don't see an arrow button. Oh, frame rate editor. Let's call stat FPS. So show the fraps. Show the fraps. This is 120 FPS, so it doesn't feel like it.
Aww.
So you're working? Are you streaming?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I was able to download that game and go into Xbox again.
Oh.
Hi, Janine.
He says hi.
Hi, Piggy. See,
What time?
whenever. Whenever you're ready.
I don't know how it works.
Rain.
I get it.
No, I'm waiting to you. No promises I won't play without you.
That's okay. You gonna carry me?
My lord.
What do you mean error messages? What? No message log. There is no error message.
Oh, I gotta redo this.
Oh no, super! And the alpha for Coral Island comes out on the 31st. I'll have something to do with my life.
Are there any games that balance for 144 FPS? Despite the majority of people not having 140 FPS?
First-person shooters.
Well, they're made to run on any hardware, but I guess it does take advantage of high FPS and high refresh rates. 360 hertz monitor.
Yeah, like CSGO. They're best at like as high as possible.
I heard there's going to be a 480 hertz monitor. I wonder what that's like. $480 hertz. Oh my goodness.
I think Lioness Tech's chips get a hold of that kind of stuff every so often. I think they tested one that was. It might have even been that monitor you're talking about.
Ooh, I'm gonna look it up then.
Yeah, and then there's also they tested AK monitors.
I know that, and then they tried it before it was even a thing. With like a wall of panels?
No, it was a TV.
Oh no, I know that, but like before that, before AK was like you had like an actual wall of panels. Built in an array. AK was the LG Z77. They're testing the 3090 especially.
Oh, they tested the 3090 on it?
Yeah. I mean, it is technically 8K capable because it's VRAM.
I just remember them, like when they got like one of the review copy or something that were the first 8K monitor. It has some fans and stuff in it. Oops. Oops.
I'm gonna call this function actually, let's call it find main target.
Why am I struggling over this? Why am I doing this? This doesn't matter. This little bit of clipping doesn't. But that ain't gonna stop me. Fleshy.
Yeah, not cover our mouth. Spreading cover here. Target, set main target. And I want to see if target's in front of me. Where is that? What do I do with that? Here's the function. I think I'm reading this. Right, dot. It's the dot product.
My model isn't symmetrical. I'm going to cry.
Collapse the function. Target. Check. If.
Polyloops without messing up UVs.
How do you what?
Can I add a polyloop or an edge loop to a model without messing up the UVs?
Of course you can. Actually, you can. Just press Control R, and I believe in the little bottom left menu that pops up, you should be able to. Don't quote me on that. Speaking out of my ass right now. So this is our self root component. We get our world location and our forward vector. So subtract actors B's, which is our target. So get target's root component and subtract that from target A's. Subtract? I don't know. It says subtract B by A. Does that mean subtract B from A?
No, other way around. It's subtract B by A.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
So
that makes sense.
Yeah, B minus A.
So B minus A. Get the world location, normalize that. The resulting vector. Take the known vector, get the dot product of it, and A's forward vector. A's forward, yeah. And now, if it's less than 0.9, it's true. So, looking for main target. I add if the location So if this is valid, if it's not valid, just set a target as main. If it is valid, it means we already have a target. So we're going to check if it's in front of, and if it is in front of, and the distance is lower, I have to return a value here. In front of. And it's in front of, you can set it as main target. Definitely not working. Cats don't have feelings. They're assholes. Kidding. What's up? Oh, I didn't even plug it in. That's the other way around. Oh, not for each. 100 degrees. Facing it is 0. Facing away from it is 180. So if it's less than a 30 degree angle, let's do 34. To 20. So if it's less than 20, target. So back to targeting. Get all targets, and for each one of them, I want to find out if it's in front of player. Yeah? If it exists, if target main does exist, then we also ask ourselves, is this target in front of us as a player? And we also check if the distance is closer than our current target. Then if that's all true, then we set the current loop as the main. That's not working how I want. Actually, no it is. Let's line this up in a line. Then we should do 2 separate checks and not check it together. So first we check if the target is in front of us. I can disable that check for now. See where that goes.
What the hell?
This actually works better. I don't think I have to check if it's closer or not. Guess I would have to check if it's closer. Let me see which takes priority. And then we check if it's closer. Oh, what? If it's false, and target main get not. It's not equal. Same thing. Oh. Alright. I'm confusing myself. So we check if the unit's in front of us, right? If the unit is in front of us, then we check its distance. Right? And if its distance is close, no, if the unit's in front of us, we think it's an and. Branch. True. If the unit's in front of us and it's closer than our main target, should we set it as maybe another and our main target is not in front of us? We can set true on that. Main target is not in front. Distance shouldn't matter just yet. Let's go. Switch. Distance is closer than our main target. Spaghetti.
Is spaghetti cold?
Yep. It's girls. Okay, if our target is in front and our main target is not in front, we can now set this new one as a main target. But we can only set it as a main target if the distance is closer. Using the hell out of myself right now. It should be regardless. Yeah. I'm looking away from this box. What's not true? What is not true in this equation? Is it not in front of? Is the distance not closer? I think it's the distance thing. But because it's checking to see if it's closer. I mean, it works for what I needed to, so I'll leave it as is. I don't have to check the distance of the to the target. Have to. For future reference. Yeah. But that is game design. I'm actually happy that this works.
Oh, item. Bam. Wow. What was in this too?
Jujutsu Kaisen is a great movie, which hasn't come out yet. It's a very good series.
I was about to say, what? There's a movie
coming out? Okay. So now that we have our target, does it work for multiplayer? Oh, that's something to try. Do I need a second controller plugged in? Probably. USB. Actually, I can just pick separate windows, I believe. 2 players. Play as a listen server. Hop out. Hop out. Oh. I guess being part of the player component, it replicates? Oh, you can even select your allies. Perfect. Find your allies. Actual light bulb. Why is one bright and the other one? I can't select. Why is it selecting the enemy first? That's a problem. I want to see if it works. This color based on player.
I guess this isn't so bad as long as I don't look at it from the back.
That's the spirit. Tell me what player controller.
Let's go ahead and save that. I'll save it. That is very much adequate.
Turn-based. Players stay. Get current players? No. No, 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 no. When gameplay is started. Construction. On construction, what number of player you are. Get controller. Not controller type. Get player. Hmm? What? Oh.
Arch?
I honestly don't remember how to do this, so I'm going to make it a random color. For the sake of it. That point light. Random float in range between 0 and 255. I wish I had different colors. Oh, talk about white. Should be 0 and 255. Definitely. Why are they both white? The alpha? That's taking away its color? Like if I made something RGB purple. $216 $191 $216. Oh wait. That? The legendary?
Who is it?
Always comes on at the last minute.
Wait, what happened, girl? Yeah, we know.
I've been drowning in Final Fantasy, and if I'm not playing Final Fantasy, I'm reading. And I looked at my clock, I was like, oh shit!
How are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
I've played it before, and I had to stop. Well, I didn't have to stop, but I stopped because my friends didn't play anymore. So like, I only got to play like for 2 weeks of my subscription, and then my friends stopped playing, and then I stopped playing. And I wanted to play more, but I didn't want to play by myself. And then my friend Ty started playing, and I was like, oh. So I jumped in there. So now I've been playing almost every day. But I also play Pokemon Unite. So if you guys want to play Pokemon Unite, I'll play that too.
Another invite.
If you don't want to, you don't have to. I didn't invite you.
Oh no, not you. No, another friend. Literally before the stream started, was recommending it.
It's free. That's why I recommend it. It's free. See, what I really want to say is play Final Fantasy with me, but that costs money, and I don't want you to spend.
Oh
money.
no, it's not just the money thing. It's the time and money.
Yeah, that's exactly why I've been like putting myself into it so much. It's like I paid for this, and I paid for a subscription for this. I'm gonna play every single friggin' day until the subscription runs out. I'm not wasting that $16.
I mean, that's fair.
So I've been playing. I've got like what 9 days left until the subscription's up.
Have fun with it. Definitely
what are
enjoy
you
it.
doing here? You're wasting time.
It's been a month already.
I played a little bit early.
Oh, okay.
Like I play a little bit and then like I'll turn it off and then I'll do something else and I'll play a little bit more. I'm also trying to balance Pokemon because Pokemon has like leveling and stuff. So the further you level up, the more access you have to other stuff. So I'm like,
I heard, and that's like the worst thing about a MOBA, a competitive game where if you play more, you get rewards. You unbalance the game.
well, no, like League has the same thing because you have to get to like level.
And
30
that's why
before
no
you're
one
able to
plays League. Stop.
No, that's exactly why no one plays League of Legends competitively for money. There's no league. There's no championships of League of Legends. What are you talking about? No, I'm joking. Yeah, but yeah. So I'm almost there. You gotta get to like level 13, 15, something like that. Something basic to get everything that you necessarily need.
Still leveling.
Yeah, it's fun enough.
0.25? Is that where I messed up? That's where I messed up.
You've been working hard.
I put a value.
Okay, I want you to know. I want you to know. Nikki, I want you to know. Also, Wyatt, I want you to know. I want you both to know. You know that. You know how like a computer has like tabs, endless tabs.
Yeah.
Endless tabs that I never close.
Yeah.
There are 2 tabs on my computer designated specifically for your streams.
I noticed, and I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Really cute.
You're the first one and the last one to leave.
The Nikki stream and the Wyatt stream, there's always a tab there for you. You always have my views.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
And then there's other person that I'm trying to get art from.
I'll need a dedicated tab to you. Do you stream? I know
No.
Like, okay, I stream, but I also like co-stream on other people's streams. So I haven't been doing my own streams. I've been going on other people's streams and being like, "Hey, yeah, I'm gonna help out over here," and they'll be like, "Who's that? Who's that person?" And I'm like, "Oh yeah, this Kuro." And like, I really need to be doing my own damn stuff.
Just realized that randomizing the colors between each player. Weird. That's not how I want
I
us
saw
to
a
do.
streamer that had underboob and they were like, "It's okay, I have a bunch of alternate outfits. They can't catch me." Nah, nah, nah. And I was like, really?
Nothing wrong with an underboob on a virtual character, right?
Get live.
I'm gonna replicate this to the world. Oh.
Yeah, we gotta finish this anime.
Oh, okay, so my cousin is streaming and my other friend is streaming. And I gotta make some tabs for them. Alright, like, I have no idea what the hell this game is. What is Lethal League, please? What the heck is this?
Lethal League, ultimate destructive volleyball.
No, that's Knockout City.
No, Lethal League is it's
What?
like it's
No, Knockout City's
dodgeball.
dodgeball.
No, Knockout City's dodgeball. This looks like handball because it's going
No, it's like dodgeball, volleyball. dodgeball, but you don't catch the ball. You hit the ball, and it gets faster and faster to the point where it's like pure light
Handball?
and leaves after images.
It looks like handball.
Game is amazing.
Or like that, what's that game where the ball just bounces off the walls and then you gotta hit the tiles?
Wall?
I was gonna say racquetball, but I'm like, huh?
No, like the game. It's like a game and there's tiles above you and then you gotta hit the walls to like
Pong?
hit the tiles.
I know what you're talking about. I played the
That's what it looks like.
I played the special version with the tiles have numbers on them, and you hit as it bounces up. Yeah, it makes like a trail. But that game is awesome. It's only good if you're playing locally though, because if you're playing online and there's any kind of delay, it's kind of weird. But if you have friends over and you want to smack a ball around, it's pretty fun. Wait, oh, is that Fast and the Furious? Oh, it's on Amazon. I know what I'm watching this weekend.
Oh wait, I think I just saw some stuff earlier that I put on Facebook, and all the these look pretty good.
Let's try my multiplayer.
Who knows about them? Wonder if Nikki knows about them. Wait,
I know everything there is about everything.
So he says.
There's something about like all the men dying.
Wait, what? Oh, this movie?
Well, like I don't know if it's a movie or a series, but it was like all the men are dying.
Tom Holland's in this movie?
I don't know. It doesn't say.
What?
It's just like Creamery, New Zealand show. Creamery.
Oh, it's a show.
Yeah. Like all the men are dying and the women are being chosen, and specifically for breeding more people.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean that show on Hulu?
I don't know. It's still a thing. I'm like, oh, this looks like a thing.
What?
It's on the wall. It's on the wall. Oh wait, did I post my picture twice? No, I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry. I posted a picture of my Final Fantasy character. Tried to make it
Oh,
look
it's
cute.
on Facebook.
And then somebody tried to call me right after. I'm like, why are you calling me?
On begin play. Event. Let's make a custom event. Let's call this set.
Speaking of Kuro, whatever happened with that dude you're having trouble with?
Ah, yes.
But whatever came with that, I remember there was supposed to be a Thursday, and then I didn't hear anything from you because you're.
Nothing happened. I never did anything.
Oh, okay.
I never got like a follow-up call, so I just assumed canceled because you made a fool of yourself.
Oh,
Run
okay.
the server. Run the server.
Hey, other dude, I just have crappy luck with men in general, cause this one other dude keeps calling me at 6 o'clock in the morning saying, hey, what you doing? Like, sleeping. What the f you think I'm doing at 6 a.m.? And I went back to sleep. And then they called me 2 more times.
I still don't know why you indulge these people. But this is the that Kermit meme. That's not my problem.
I didn't answer the second time. I was asleep and I'm like, why didn't you answer? Why don't you reply? I just texted you saying that I'm asleep.
That's an instant block from me. Happens once, okay, cool. Twice, alright. Third time,
It was once. I text, I'm sleeping. I go back to sleep, and then I get 2 more calls, and I'm like,
yeah, that person getting blocked.
Like, oh, I was just concerned because normally you're up at this time. I was sleeping. I told you I was sleeping. I'm not at home. And they're like, oh, just come hang out. And I'm just like, I told you I'm sleeping. And I'm just like,
delete it from my life.
and I told you about inviting me to things last minute. You do not have access to inviting me to things last minute. You don't have
I like how
that
his access. A lot of people don't have
Yo.
access to inviting me last minute. Only Kiki
Yo,
does.
I'm gonna let you guys know right now.
Uh-oh.
Right? If you guys want me over for a booty call, I'm all for it. But schedule ahead of time. 1 week ahead of time. Call
1
it
week.
6 o'clock in the morning.
No. What was worse was like he had the audacity to be like, "Oh no, I was calling you to make plans for that evening," and I'm just like, "Oh fuck." I'm just like, "Yeah, I'm going to get you. Okay, yeah, sure. You keep okay. Bye now. Bye.
I wouldn't even pick that up. Like, let's go on silent. And
At this point, I'm
actually, I
just
don't
like
talk to
this.
people anyway.
Like, at this point, because I've had the conversation with him a couple of times. It's like, don't message me last minute. Don't invite me to things last minute. My friends, my closest friends, tell me things 2-3 weeks in advance and then remind me 5 times.
That's a good friend. That's how it should be.
They know my memory sucks, and they'll just like anytime that they have it, like, oh hey, like I got new sneakers today. Don't forget the trip is next week or 2 weeks later. Like, oh hey, the sky is blue. Don't forget the trip. Oh hey,
if I wanted someone to go somewhere, I definitely would remind them constantly.
I don't know if I could do that constantly. Once or twice, maybe only once. You get one.
It depends on when.
Everybody
I will
It depends on
forget.
when. Like, it depends when.
Random floating range.
Usually, I would ask somebody to do something maybe a week before.
Yeah, that's a reasonable request.
That's reasonable.
And then you tell us, like, a couple days in advance. Like,
Yeah, but
remember I told you that thing last week. I just like I need the reminder sometimes because like stuff happens. I have a very poor sense of like time in general. So like I'll be like, oh, why didn't that person do that? And then my brother will be like, that was a year ago. That was literally a year ago. That what? Like no, that was 2 months ago. That was a year ago. Stop. So I'm back.
It's cool when you know the person and how they are, and if they have a bad memory. But if you don't know somebody and they pull that shit where you have to constantly remind them to do something, that's a no-go. Once. Everyone gets one. I make the date. Even then, I don't even want to remind you. I would hope that you remember.
I think it's like also goes with like the fact of, if we talk a lot about stuff, then like you have access to me to remind me more often, but we also talk enough so that like you can fill me with like stuff that'll make me forget because you're giving me more stuff about you that has to do with you. I don't know if that makes sense. So it's like
I'm very lost here.
okay, so if I see Nikki every single day and Nikki tells me about burritos and tacos and all the tasty things that he ate each day, I'm gonna forget the thing that he told me about 2 weeks ago.
What?
Because I'm just gonna remember like, oh, Nikki ate a burrito Tuesday. That was cool. That looked really good. I need to know where that burrito was.
Oh my goodness.
That
Okay.
was pretty dang tasty. And I'm like, Nikki, when's the event again?
For small things like that, though, Kiro, what if it's like really, really important, though? Like going somewhere.
I have a whiteboard.
Wow.
Marker. And it's super duper important, and I cannot not forget. Like doctor's appointments. People are coming from like faraway places, like family. More doctor's appointments.
That's what my phone is for. I literally schedule everything important.
I don't touch my phone. My phone will have an alarm, and I'll miss the alarm, and I won't hear it. So that's no.
The server has authority.
That's what the whiteboard's for. It's huge, it's big, and it's in my face. It's the first thing I'll see when I wake up.
Fair.
And I'll know that if something's important, it'll be on it. So it's right there. I need a marker for it.
Can't tell if one is brighter than the other.
It's also where I put all my to-do stuff. It's like, I need to make a notes what's on there right now? I need to make animated emotes. I need to make emotes for Pyro. I need to get to gold in TFT. I need to clean my room. And the other things are already off. And then there's like stuff that I need. Those are things that I needed like a year ago, but I still kind of want them. So not like super necessary anymore, but I still want them because they're like, hey, there's this old project that you had in mind. Keep in mind that you had that old project idea of like putting things in resin. Still need to do that.
You sound like a very, very busy and active person.
My mind is busy. My body is idle.
How does replication work?
Oh my.
Get the laser beam portal gun, and then you get the other laser beam gun, and it duplicates. The portal? I don't know, Rick and Morty it.
That light. Oh, I see where I messed up.
Oh, hell. Pause.
I should honestly fix it. Nope, that did not fix it. This made it both red on one screen and blue on the other. Run this on the server.
What are you making?
I
What's the thing?
Hmm?
I remember you like drawing an interface the last time I peeked in on you.
Oh.
Even like, if I don't go into the call, it doesn't mean that I didn't like.
No, it's fine.
I'm like looking and watching for a bit, and I'm like, I gotta go to the trade though.
I'm making a top-down game. Right now I'm working on targeting.
Top-down game?
Yep. So the camera's above your head and you move up, down, left, right.
So what are we doing?
So right now I am working on targeting the closest thing to you that you're facing. So it works for the most part, what I'm looking at.
You should play Pokemon.
Ah, ha, ha, ha. There's only one MOBA that I play.
And that's Dota.
Everyone should play Dota. Just saying.
I'm just saying, Pokemon Unite. Got some targeting. Got some overview targeting. You tap A to basic attack. Use the trigger buttons to like attack. Your like what, 3 attacks? Your ult and your 2 other attacks?
I saw it, I'm like, you have so much potential to make this game, but I guess being Pokemon, it's always going to be catered or limited to children.
The bobbies, to the infants.
Can't have an adult-themed Pokemon game with the actual plot line and characters that grow.
The children never grow.
Like what 10-year-old? Is he still 10? Or is he? I know he had a birthday on a show once.
And he then later, a few seasons later, said he was a 10.
Oh, did he?
Yep.
Oh.
That was what, Owen, that he had a birthday?
You know they reset him after every series.
And they super reset him this season.
Ugh. Oh, don't get me started.
Didn't he say he had like a brother or something?
Does he?
Like,
Didn't his mom like give birth or something? Or didn't he talk about his dad?
wait, did he have a little like a kid sibling?
I don't know.
No, not originally.
Oh.
Well, let's look it up.
Alright, I'm gonna
Yep,
get off
It's 10 o'clock. My stream's about to end.
and plop down on the couch. I'll see you guys later.
They could have followed the plot line where, you know, we learned about Ash's father.
Bye.
The typical anime trope. His father's like in Elite 4, remember? Left his mom to go train.
His father died in the war.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Apparently.
I thought, okay, wait. Maybe it's not his brother. It's not his brother. It's some person's kid. I don't know. I don't get it. This does not look like your brother. It's not your kid. It's somebody else's kid.
Hello, me. It's your brother. Oh, no, it's hello, sir. I'm your brother.
Here you go.
Game development is hard.
Oh yeah, the wrestler had a kid.
You picked the hardest job of all.
But it is
Game development.
equally the most rewarding.
Is it though?
Yes. Yes, it is. Programming is rewarding.
Did I tell you that I'm going back to school?
Are you going back to school?
Mm.
What you studying this time, or are you continuing with the... I'm not sure what you're continuing with, but what you studying?
I'm getting my bachelor's in fine arts.
Nice, nice. So you're gonna be homeless too. It's okay.
Yeah. I mean, like, and this is what my brother Ty was telling me about. It's like degrees are useless unless you're like a lawyer or a doctor or something that like actually requires
Yeah, they are.
something specific. It's useless. So why get something that's gonna stress me out versus something that's gonna still stress me out, but I'm gonna possibly enjoy?
I guess.
Like, why get a English degree and then write a whole bunch of papers and be annoyed versus
Some people like that.
I like drawing.
Yeah, so
So
good
it's
job
just
on
like-
getting a degree. A lot of people don't. At least you could say I did it.
I could possibly stress myself out even more further and be an art teacher. Do it.
I think you'd be a fun art teacher.
I think I'd care too much.
Depends on the age group that you're dealing with, though. It always does.
Kindergartners will eat crayons, so no. Elementary school kids might eat the crayons, so no.
I think
I don't-
third, fourth
Okay,
grade is
awesome.
like top tier.
Third grade, fourth grade, I guess.
They're smart enough to
There's
not eat the
nothing
crayons, but they're
wrong
not
with that, but, like,
talk back level yet.
you can still be brats. And
But
then
not,
you know-
not teen. They're not teens though, so they still respect people.
Yes, but that's what sucks is like I have friends and family that work with kids, right?
Mm-hmm.
Elementary school level kids. When my aunt works with special needs and my bestie, she works with like, I don't know, elementary school kids. I have watched my best friend go from the kindest, sweetest, soft-spoken person to I fucking hate these kids. I've never like.
Hope she don't say that out loud.
Not in front of them, but it's just like I watched the flip flop because it's just like these kids are crazy. And then the latest story is there's some 7-year-old girl in one of her classes, and she's been telling like the upper management, upper whatever people that this child's crazy and they need to expel her or get her out of the school because she is a danger to the faculty and she's a danger to other students. This girl brought a knife to school one day. 7 years old, ready to stab somebody.
Well, dang. I can see why my high school had metal detectors, but damn.
19?
Elementary.
Oh, you live in one of those neighborhoods.
And it's one of the more prestigious schools in Brooklyn. I wouldn't say it's like top tier, like those like take a test to get in, but
There's no such thing. I mean, like, unless it's like Fordham University, where everybody's like flying across the world to go there, and the tuition's like crazy buku money.
but every school in Brooklyn at high school level pretty much has security. I mean, metal detectors.
Oh, we had them too at my school too. We had metal detectors, and you know I like those nice baggy pants with the chains. They had a fit with me wearing those. So it was like, you take off the pants, you put them in your backpack, you go to class, you go to a girl's bathroom, and you put them back on, and then they get angry about it, and then they like take you out of class. It's annoying.
What is this? Steam has Tomb Raider? I already have all three of them.
Into a school with metal detectors before. Like, those are always considered the bad schools.
Yeah, I can see them being reason why they be the bad schools.
We had gang fights. Like, we had
Yeah.
5 schools in one building. Like, there was 5, no, what? Yeah, there were 5 floors. It was like a big, tall building, 5 floors, and each floor was a different high school.
What?
Yeah.
Every floor was a different high school?
Yeah, so with the bad schools, why I hear they just tend to break them into multiple schools, smaller multiple schools.
What?
Yeah, we all had, like, all 5 schools shared we had, like, 2 gymnasiums, so there was, like, so most of them were, like, divided up. and then there was only one cafeteria, so everybody had to like take different periods to get to use that cafeteria. But the cafeteria was then divided in half, so that like half was for one school and half was the other school. But it's the same floor, same room. But like this half is for this classroom, for this school, and this half is for that classroom. It's like what?
That sounds like super fast backwards. I guess if you guys don't have a lot of space, like you do what you got to do.
Oh, the worst part was that the school, the reason why, and I picked that school myself. The only reason why I went to that school is because the school advertised that it would teach you how to build your own computer and you'd be able to take it home. Never did. They said that they did that for like the first 2 like years of the school, and that was it. So nobody else was able to build or make.
Did you say you chose that school?
Yeah.
You guys get to choose your schools?
Yeah,
Well,
to some extent.
What?
What do you mean? There's the zone school, which is your default, but you can go anywhere, assuming you're decent.
District, I think, right?
Yeah. So.
Oh.
So like what they do is they give you this big stupid book, and it's chunky like a phone book, and it's divided by all the districts. Then you're told what district you're a part of. So then you look through that district, you see what those schools have to offer, and like then you go and maybe like check out the school physically, see if like you want to go there, and then you and your family decide which school you go to. I have a cool mom, so my mom let me have like an active role in choosing what school I wanted to go to.
That was a bad decision.
I could have gone to like a dance school, but I chose a computer school instead.
Yeah, in California, like if you want to go to the other school, you gotta jump through some hoops. Like where you live, that's where you go.
All you need here is just decent grades. Like
that's a wild concept. Being able to just choose where you go, that would have been nice. Like I think even the private schools, I think you had like if you lived too far away, like you had a less chance of getting in or something like that.
Well, commute. My school commute was like 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
I think it was about the same. 40 minutes, half an hour to 40 minutes.
Yeah.
And then I had to take either 2 trains or a bus, a train and a bus, something like that. Yeah, it was either 2 trains or a train and a bus.
Getting anywhere in New York.
Basically, like, I don't know, like for middle school, let's see. So elementary school, they had a school bus for me, so I was lucky.
Same.
Okay, so then middle school was when I like first started having to like take the train by myself because my mom wasn't gonna take me to school every day on the train.
Pretty much 6th grade, they give you that little green Metro card, and you start. Yeah.
That's when you start your journey as an individual traveling alone in the big city. It was my school wasn't too far away because I'm like at the end of the Bronx, so my school was basically on the last stop, so it was like 5 or 6 train stations away from my house, so it wasn't too far, but it was still, you have to ride the train by yourself.
Which is, actually at first it's kind of scary, but for me anyway.
The only time it was scary was that there was one morning that I was really tired and I was not awake. So the train shows up and opens its doors, and I'm very tired and very skinny and very, very, very not paying attention, so I did not look where I was stepping.
Yeah?
Yeah?
In a bit.
Soon?
Yeah, so continue.
I wasn't looking where I was going, and my leg fell in the gap between the train and the
Oh, that is my worst nightmare. Mind the gap.
Yeah, I didn't mind the gap, and my whole leg fell through it up to like my upper thigh.
Yeah, because you just go down, it's like, oop.
It's like, oop. And then I was just like in shock. I didn't know what to do, and I couldn't like, push up myself out because there was way more leg down there.
Wouldn't someone pretty much help you?
Oh, somebody eventually like came over and scooped me up from under my arms and pulled me out, but I was just like in shock, and I had a huge bruise on my leg, and I was just like, I almost died. And I went to school.
Man, that place sounds like a wild place. I'll stay here. I'll stay where I'm at.
But like, I think I told you that my mom was like, I think it had to be around that time. I feel like it might have been before that, but it definitely no, it had to be around like middle school because like if I'm going to school by myself, yeah. So that's when mom started letting me go to Manhattan by myself.
I mean, once you can go on a train, you're pretty much free to go anywhere.
I mean, yeah, but like, there's a difference between going 6 stops in one direction, or going like all the way to Rockefeller Center from the Bronx.
I mean, it's a longer ride, but if you can go 6 stops, you can go anywhere. Just stay away from Brownsville.
Just stay away from people. Like, it was more like, okay, so you remember when Pokemon Center was Pokemon Center, right?
Good times.
Yeah. So like, you know, my love of Pokemon is still strong, right? So a 12-year-old me, 13-year-old me.
What year was this?
I don't know.
Dang.
Like younger me,
How
younger
close.
me, 11-year-old Pokemon trainer me was like
Do I
really
fall?
hyped to get my only piece of mail in the mailbox saying the Pokemon Center invites you. I'm like, I gotta go. They looking for me.
So
specifically.
Pokemon Center opened when you were 11. All right, that's
Oh,
enough information.
Is it?
Yeah, let's go see. Pokemon Center, New York City opening date. November 16th, 2001. All right.
Oh, it was 2001.
That makes no sense.
Wait, you were 11 in
No, that makes
2001?
no sense. Wait,
I'm not.
does it?
It's wrong. It's wrong. I know exactly how old I was in 2001.
Are you 31 years old?
No, I'm not.
Dang. So close. Well, I'll try and piece together some more information on that.
The younger me is like, Pokemon Center, let's go. They're calling me, Ma. They're inviting me. They put my name on the postcard right here. Do you see? We gotta go. They expected me. Pikachu's gonna be mad if they don't see me there. We gotta go. So like doing that like 12 times to her on the weekends kind of got old. So she's just like, you know how to get there. Go by yourself. Here's some money.
What do you mean, what?
Here's some money. Here's a phone.
Still doing art?
Call
Not at
me
the
when
moment,
you
I'm
get to the train. Call me when you get off the train. Call me when you get there. Call me when you're on your way back. And I'll pick you up at the train station.
Oh, worried parents.
But
what's
you're going by yourself.
I still don't
Yeah,
know
I
how
was so
old
stuck
Wyatt
in
is. I can't remember. You told me once. I feel like you did. Can't remember.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm
I was there when
oh
he said
fuck, I don't know how I am.
I can't tell if you're serious.
I'm in my late 20s, I think.
You think you're in your late 20s?
I'm somewhere between 26 and 28.
So you are younger than me.
He's 27.
Yeah, I'm younger than you.
No,
He's 27.
He's 27. Carol, how old are you?
She's not going to tell you.
I'm just gonna say it. She's like, oh yeah, I'm so-and-so. Like,
You think I'm just gonna like...
hell yeah. This information's public. What happened?
Oh, I wanna cry.
What happened?
I found... So wait, no, I gotta find the right one. I gotta give you this picture. I had this and someone stole it.
It's so creepy how your address is like perfectly here on you just search it and you can find. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's how old you are?
How old is she?
I'm not gonna say. I wonder if this is accurate. That's hilarious.
Wow.
I searched your name in Google. It's the first thing that came up.
What?
I'm gonna post this to you. Can you confirm?
Damn it.
I know the address is
just
correct though.
crashed.
That's creepy.
Oh my gosh, when did I last save?
People will dox you. Here you
How
go.
do I-
Paste directly to you. Is this correct?
Oh man.
Hold on. I'm scared, Nick. I'm scared.
Wait, let me check the phone number. Where's my phone? Kiki, can you get my phone on the table? Please? Thank you.
Alright, hold on. Blah blah blah.
That is so bad.
How do I?
That's so scary.
Does Blender autosave?
Yeah, it does. To some
How
extent.
do I
You
open
click
autosave?
on File,
Mhm.
Recover, Autosave, or Last Session. Try both of them.
I don't see either of those.
Into the File tab,
Oh,
right?
recover.
Yeah.
That's so scary. Like,
Let's see. I'll double check if I know, right?
that's so gross.
Oh well, that phone number is probably different. Probably a house phone. But yeah, there you go. That is
What?
honestly very creepy. And
86. Wait, why does this one say 86?
I don't pop up. Not popular.
let me see if I pop up.
Hold on.
I have a unique name, so let's go see.
This is what I got when I looked it up.
Yeah, here I am.
Look, this is what I got when I looked it up.
Wait, you're in 86? You said?
There's two people. I saw that one and the one I posted. There's someone who's 86 years old and someone who's this years old.
Oh, I see the second one.
But my address is also here. And my old email, Vegito Super Saiyan at AOL.com.
What the hell is this site?
Oh no.
Gross.
It has my cell phone. It has my phone number from my mom's place. My age is here.
I popped up. They don't have my current.
Is that phone number correct? Let's see this one. That's interesting. Let's see. It has my dad. Possible relatives. There goes my mom and sister. With all their phone numbers.
Really?
I remember Crazy Chick 36. That was our AOL.
A lot of information.
Dang.
I'm good. I am an enigma.
Yeah. My sister's address. Doesn't have my current address though. Yep, all our numbers are here too.
Correct.
Yeah, all the ages correct. So I now know how old you are. Thanks
No.
to
I
the
wanna
power
know.
of the internet.
Gross.
I will not reveal this information, but
Gross.
You gonna leave me out the loop?
that is interesting.
Gross.
And it's the first thing that popped up too.
How the fuck do I get my stuff off of this?
I searched your name and the borough you live in, and I'm like,
And you know what the thing is, like, I spend so much time, like, as Kuro, that there's people that don't even know Kuro and my name are the same person. I told you this. So it's just like, ew. How do I get my name off of it, Nikki?
I don't know. It's public record to some extent.
Oh, no, it's not public record because I didn't approve my name being on that.
Your name's everywhere. Everything, every form you signed, every email you put in, you spread your name and your identity.
I guess, but like,
You think they keep those lists to themselves? You could sell a whole mailing list for money.
No. Okay. Wait. What the fuck? What is this? This gotta go. What is this? This gotta go.
I'm gonna start being creepy now, looking at my other friends. Is truepeoplesearch.com? That was creepy.
Hmm?
It's moving. Okay, let's see Malik.
You know,
There it is, I know. Based on his relatives, I know.
I'm just gonna have to live with that.
This is his old address.
I'm just gonna have to live with that.
That's where he used to. I know Malik used to live next to Torrance, like literally on the next block.
So if I look up my name, there's only 3 pictures related to me on there.
His father, all these people. All right, and that's where he used to live. Doesn't show him now. He's 29 as of Wait a minute. Oh no. I'm gonna get off stream now.